Most beginners building with AI make the same 5 mistakes, and they cost weeks. Let's fix them fast, then build something real. Mistake 1. Chasing the perfect prompt. You tweak wording for an hour when a rough prompt plus one test would have told you everything. Ship the ugly version first. Mistake 2. No version control. You edit your project, it breaks, and you can't get back. Save a copy before every big change. Mistake 3. Building with no user in mind. A tool nobody needs is a hobby, not a product. Pick one annoying task you personally do every week. Mistake 4. Trusting AI output blindly. It sounds confident, and it's often wrong. Always verify anything that touches money, code, or facts. Mistake 5. Never shipping. Perfection is procrastination in a nicer outfit. Now the concrete step. Open a free AI chat tool and build a one-prompt assistant. Type, "You are my email summarizer." When I paste a long email, give me 3 bullet points and 1 suggested reply. Paste a real email. Test it. Bad output. Add 1 rule, like keep replies under 40 words. Test again. In 10 minutes, you have a working tool you'll actually use. Save that prompt in a note file. That file is your first product asset. If people around you have the same annoying task, you might package it and charge a small amount. No promises, no overnight riches. Just a real skill that compounds. The people who win aren't the smartest. They're the ones who ship, get feedback, and fix. Build the small thing today. Subscribe if you want more honest, buildable AI tutorials.